There are many advantages to having a dual monitor setup. A few of the reasons is that it can increase productivity, use applications simultaneously, and they are simple to use. In today's tech tip, we'll be discussing how to set up dual monitors for your computer. One of the things that you may want to consider is what kind of video output does your monitor have? Is it a VGA? Is it a display port? Or is it an HDMI port? You may also want to consider what kind of video output that your computer provides. You may actually have to have an adapter to complete this process. Once you have successfully connected your monitors to your computer, you may not be able to seamlessly move your mouse from one screen to the other. This is because your display settings are not set up properly. To set them up properly, you will want to right-click the desktop of the computer and click Display Settings. You'll be able to see that your monitors may not be in the correct order. Simply click Identify, which will then show you which monitor is which. You will then want to drag and drop the monitor to how they actually appear. Once you can seamlessly move your mouse from one monitor to the next monitor, you have correctly set up your dual monitors.